Have you tried Jenni AI, SciSpace, or Consensus AI for academic research, but still find yourself switching between tools? I wanted one platform to handle everything: writing, finding research gaps, generating literature reviews, mapping citations, and many more. That's why I switched to Answer This. With features like AI Writer, Research Gap Finder, Literature Review Generator, Search Research Papers, AI Paraphraser, Citation Map, and many more, it replaced every other AI tool I used for my PhD. Let's dive and see how it works. This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching gurrutechsolutions. Let's get started by visiting the official Answer This website. Simply search for Answer This IO and click on the very first link you see. This will take you directly to the official Answer This site. Answer This AI is designed to accelerate academic research. It's a powerful tool for conducting literature reviews and extracting key information from a vast database of over 250 million academic papers. In short, Answer This AI is an excellent resource for students, researchers, and academics. Let's log in with our credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface packed with features to streamline your academic work. One of the most impressive aspects is the ability to pose direct research questions. For instance, if I'm interested in understanding how artificial intelligence is influencing student learning outcomes, I can simply type this question into the prompt bar. The platform allows me to set preferences, such as opting for a quick scan in light mode or a more in-depth exploration using the Pro features. This flexibility is invaluable, as it lets me tailor the depth of my inquiry to the specific needs of my project. Once I submit my question, Answer This AI generates a detailed manuscript that not only addresses the research question, but also provides a nuanced discussion of related themes. In my example, the output might explore how AI enhances personalization and adaptation in education, increases student motivation and engagement, and improves accessibility and equity. What I particularly appreciate is the inclusion of in-text citations, which are directly linked to the original academic papers. This makes it easy to verify sources or delve deeper into specific studies, a crucial step in maintaining academic rigor. The ability to switch citation styles with a single click is another thoughtful touch, saving time when preparing manuscripts for different journals or conferences. Beyond answering research questions, Answer This AI offers a prompt helper feature, which is especially useful for refining research prompts. As someone who has spent countless hours crafting and revising research questions, I find this tool remarkably helpful. By selecting the purpose of my inquiry, whether it's to find relevant studies, generate a literature review, or identify research gaps, I can receive a well-structured prompt tailored to my needs. This not only improves the quality of the search results, but also helps clarify my own thinking about the research direction. The Literature Review Generator is another standout function. By entering my topic of interest and setting parameters such as the desired number of citations or publication year range, I can quickly obtain a comprehensive review of the literature. The AI synthesizes key findings, organizes them thematically, and provides indexed citations for easy reference. This feature alone can save days, if not weeks, of manual searching and reading. The ability to edit the review with AI, share it privately or publicly, and download it in various formats further enhances its utility for collaborative projects or personal archiving. For those interested in bibliometric analysis, Answer This AI offers robust tools to analyze selected academic papers. I can examine publication trends over time, citation impact, and even visualize key terms and author networks through word clouds and diagrams. This level of analysis is particularly useful for identifying influential works, emerging trends, and gaps in the literature, insights that are often buried in traditional database searches. The platform also allows for the organization and comparison of cited studies in a tabular format. This is a feature I find especially helpful when conducting systematic reviews or meta-analyses, as it enables side-by-side comparison of methodologies, findings, and other critical variables. The ability to add or remove rows and columns ensures that the table remains tailored to the specific requirements of each project. Perhaps one of the most innovative features is the Research Gap Finder. By specifying an area of interest and any particular focus, such as methodology, population, or theoretical framework, I can generate a list of current research gaps, each accompanied by a proposed PhD thesis title and supporting information. This is an invaluable tool for early career researchers or anyone seeking to carve out a unique niche in their field. The platform even provides exportable lists of cited studies, making it easy to build a reading list or bibliography for further exploration. Throughout the platform, the options to edit manuscripts with AI, share work via private links, and download documents in multiple formats make collaboration and dissemination straightforward. In summary, Answer This AI is a powerful tool for accelerating academic research. It helps you write better literature reviews, find research gaps, and improve your academic writing with advanced AI features and much more. Try Answer This using the link in description and let us know your thoughts on this. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Guru Tech Solution for more AI-related tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!